Hi everyone, welcome back to My Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to solve connection server timeout problem in Blockman Go. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first way is to clear cache. So go to the settings, then search for apps. Next search Blockman Go app. Now tap on storage from here. Click on Clear Cache button, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. The next way is to by allowing background data uses. Tap on Mobile Data. Make sure that you have enabled background data uses. The third way is by resetting the network settings. Go back to Settings. Then search for General Management. Next, click on Reset button. Click on Reset Network Settings button. Tap on Reset Settings button. If these steps doesn't work, then restart your device. And that's how you can solve connection server timeout problem in Blockman Go.